likes eating food? Give me a thumbs up if you like eating food. Okay, so I don't know Tamil, okay? I don't know Tamil. So I'm going to ask Sharanya auntie to help me, okay? Whenever I am not able to explain, I'll take Sharanya auntie's help. Sharanya, can you ask them if they all like eating food or not?
உங்க எல்லாத்துக்கும் சாப்பிட பிடிக்குமா? What is your favorite food? என்ன வந்து ரொம்ப விரும்பி சாப்பிடுவீங்க? You can unmute and talk now. Very nice.
Okay, now 5 seconds. Mute. 5, 4, 3. Mute yourselves. 2. Mute. 1. Very good. I can see only 1 or 2 people still not unmute. Very good. Good job. Everybody's unmute. Very nice. So today we are going to see lots of food and we are going to make different things with the food, okay, that we like and we eat. We will also see how we can become healthy. Okay, we will see how we can become healthy by eating food. So let's begin. Sharanya, can you go to the next slide? Okay, so we are going to now talk about a story. Okay, we're going to talk about a story, and there are 2 people in the story. 1, 2. 2 people in the story. Okay. What is the name of that puppy? Those people? Ollie and Frank. What is the name? Ollie and Frank. So Ollie is an owl. Everybody knows what's an owl? Owl. Can you see the picture on the screen? Owl. Ollie is an owl. And Frank is a frog. Frank is a frog. And they are going on a journey. They're going on a journey to find what is healthy food. What is healthy food? So, do you want to see Ollie and Frank? Do you want to see Ollie and Frank? Everybody, give me a thumbs up if you want to see Ollie and Frank. Yes. Sharanya, you can stop presenting and we will... I will just begin the activity, okay? Just a minute.
So, Ollieங்கிறவங்க யாரு? Owl. Owlனா ஆந்தை. Owlனா ஆந்தை. Yes. Frank யாரு? Who's Frank?
Frog.
Frogனா தவளை. Frogனா தவளை. So 2 பேர் எங்க போறாங்க? Where are they going?
Searching for healthy food.
They're going for a journey. They're going for a journey. So we will see who is Ollie and Frank. எப்படி இருப்பாங்கன்னு பார்க்கலாம். Okay, we'll wait for Apurva auntie. She's going to show us something. Okay, we will wait. So mute yourself and be ready. Can you see Apurva? The activity screen is in the name of Apurva itself.
Yeah, I'll change that. Yeah. But can you just give them instructions to see?
Can you see that the small window naming Apurva auntie? There are 2 windows. In one window, Apurva auntie is there. In other window, there is some guest for us. Can you go and double click there? அங்க போய் double click பண்ணுங்க. Activity screen னு இருக்கும் பாருங்க. அங்க போய் double click பண்ணுங்க. What are you seeing now?
What can you see? Hi. Can you see my hand?
Yes.
Yes.
Activity screen. There will be, double click on that.
Double click.
Pin the screen.
Yes.
Manikandan has raised the hand. Yes, Manikandan.
மேம் எதுல போய் பண்ணனும் மேம்?
மேம் ஆக்டிவிட்டி ஸ்கிரீன் ஒரு சின்ன ஸ்கிரீன் இருக்கும் பாருங்க, அத போய் டபுள் கிளிக் பண்ணுங்க. Unmute it please. Unmute பண்ணுங்க. If you want, I will share it also. Can we share? Is that possible?
Sharanya, can you double click on the screen and show once by sharing? So you share your entire screen and then you can show how to double click. Yeah.
1 minute, that's what.
Yeah.
Screen is open. 1 minute.
Everybody see activity screen. You will see bread, you will see an owl, Frank and Ollie on the screen.
I am not able to share.
Yeah, it's okay. I know I'll not. This will have to give them instructions. Yes.
Okay. Can you see the activity screen? If you have done, just give us a hand raise if you are done. Okay, can you see Auntie's hand there? Apurva auntie is showing bye. Can you see that? Yes, yes. You have to double click on that. She'll show you. Wait. Yes, mute panikonga. Keep it in mute. She'll show you. So எல்லா ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸோட நேமும் மேல இருக்கா, அதுல வந்து பாருங்க ஆக்டிவிட்டி ஸ்கிரீன் அப்படின்னு ஒரு பார்ட் இருக்கும். அதுல போய் பின் அப்படிங்கிற ஆப்ஷன் இருக்கும், அத பண்ணுங்க. இல்லனா டபுள் கிளிக் பண்ணுங்க. Got it?
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
Now, so this one, can you see my finger? See, this is my finger. This is Ollie. Who is this? Ollie. Can you see Ollie? Yes. And this is Frank. This is Frank. So this is Ollie and this is Frank. Ollie is an owl. Yes, Ollie is an owl. Frank is a dog. What is this? Yes. Yes.
Ma'am, I can't see anything, ma'am. Utashti. Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Ma'am. Utashti.
Can you see the activity screen?
Ma'am, activity screen.
Friends, 1 minute. Don't shout. There'll be உங்களோட ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸோட நேம் எல்லாம் இருக்கா? பாக்ஸா உங்க ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸோட நேம் இருக்கா? அதுல ஒரு நேம் வந்து ஆக்டிவிட்டி ஸ்கிரீன்னு இருக்கும். மத்த எல்லாத்துலயும் அவங்க பேர் இருக்கும். லிசன் கேர்ஃபுல்லி. ஒவ்வொரு நேம் இருக்கும், அதுல ஆக்டிவிட்டி ஸ்கிரீன்னு இருக்கும். அத போய் டபுள் கிளிக் பண்ணுங்க. 2 times வந்து கிளிக் பண்ணுங்க. Click on that. Very good.
You got it. Very good.
And keep it on mute.
Yes. Thank you, Trashri. Thank
Very
you.
good.
Okay. So this is Ollie and this is Ollie. Okay, and this is Frank. Okay. And this is their car. This is Ollie and Frank's car, and they are going on a journey. Okay. So now what we will do, children, we are going to make Ollie and we are going to make Frank and their car. We will make it together. You will also make and I will also make. Okay. Everybody is ready? Show thumbs up. And a big smile. And a big smile. Come on, show me big smile. Nice. Very good. So let's make Ollie and Frank. Okay. So everybody is ready?
இந்த மாதிரி வருதுல்ல
these items. We will need these items. We need bread. Everybody has bread. We will need an apple. We will need one banana. Can you see one banana? We will need carrot, a cucumber, some raisins. Raisins, okay? Sharanya, can you tell these names again to them?
இது எல்லாமே உங்ககிட்ட ரெடியா வச்சிருக்கீங்களா? பிரெட் இருக்கா? Do you have bread? பிரெட் இருக்கா? ஆப்பிள்,
Yes, ma'am.
வாழைப்பழம், carrot,
But not
cucumber.
acting, ma'am.
ஓகே, சோ இதெல்லாம் எடுத்து ரெடியா உங்களோட டேபிள்ல வைங்க. மேம் வந்து என்ன சொல்றாங்களோ அதே மாதிரி நம்மளும் செய்ய போறோம். மேம் கூட சேர்ந்து செய்ய போறோம். ஓகே, வாழைப்பழம் இல்லனா பரவாயில்ல. ஓகே, பரவாயில்ல. இல்ல அப்படின்னா இப்ப பாருங்க, நீங்க அப்புறமா வந்து செய்யுங்க. ஓகே, got it? If you are
So we
not
are going
having
to-
it, just watch now and later you can do and share it with us. Okay?
Yes. So in the afternoon today, you can make it and share a picture with Sharanya auntie on WhatsApp. Okay, share your nice pictures with her. Okay, great. So now we are going to make our crank ollie. So let's start with crank. I will take one bread. I'll take this one bread. Okay, everybody can see bread, right? We are going to take a bread and first we are going to create Ollie's leg. What we are going to create? We are going to create Ollie's legs. Okay. So for that,
Bread யூஸ் பண்ணும்போது ரொம்ப கேர்ஃபுல்லா யூஸ் பண்ணுங்க. You be very careful when you're using your knife. So bread எடுத்துக்கோங்க. Now we are going to cut.
Parents, you can help them. First, we are going to cut the bread like this. So I will wait for children to have the bread. to cut. You have the bread, you can cut like this.
எப்படி கட் பண்ண அவங்க பண்ற மாதிரி பண்ணேன்.
Manikandan, keep yourself in mute.
ஓகே மேம். மியூட் பண்ணு.
I will give 2 minutes. Please cut the bread like this. If you have the bread, please cut the bread like this.
இந்த கத்தில கட்டாவல நம்ம கத்தி இருக்க பாரு.
Okay. I can see some mothers helping. Thank you so much, parents. I can see you can cut with your hand also like this. You can cut with your hand. Keep it on the table and then make it. Keep it on the table and cut with your hand or with a spoon also. Also you can cut. Like this. See, like this at the bottom.
ஓகேவா? டன். Next.
If you have bread in your refrigerator right now, you can quick bring also. I will wait for you. No problem. Yes, I can see so many mothers helping. Thank you so much. I can see Pooja's bread ready. Yes. Nice. Okay, I can see Vian's bread is also ready. So many people. Very nice. Okay. Now we are going to create the second one. So let's do the same thing on the other side like this. Second leg we are going to create. Okay, like this. Cut and again do this. Like this. Okay. So on the left side and on the right side. Again, I'll give you 2 minutes. I'm watching the screen. I can see Vimla Murli's bread is already ready. Very nice.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good job. I can see Kartika's bread is also ready. Thank you so much for showing, Kartika. Very nice. Good job. Thank you so much, parents, for helping. Great. So I'll give you 30 more seconds. Make these two. Yes. So has anybody seen an owl? Have you seen an owl in a tree? Has anybody seen a real owl? No, Darshan is saying no. Thumbs down. Darshan is saying thumbs down. Okay. So owl is a really nice bird. Okay, it's a very beautiful, nice bird.
I will wake up night, ma'am.
Okay, so now this is ready. Yeah, it is a beautiful bird. Okay, now I'm going to take another bread and I will create a stick where the owl is sitting. So I'll cut the brown portion from the corner like this. Can you see? Brown portion. Or if you don't have a knife, you can cut with your finger also like this. See how I'm doing with my finger? With your finger also you can cut like this, okay? And I will make a stick where the owl is sitting like this. So the owl is sitting on a stick like this, on a tree branch like this it is sitting. So like this I will keep at the bottom. At the bottom I'll keep the sticks. So where is the owl sitting? Where is the owl sitting? On the branch of a tree. Very good job. Very nice. So the owl is sitting on the branch of a tree. Can anybody tell me what is missing right now? What is missing? Sharanya, you can ask this question in Tamil also. Eyes. Very good. Very good, Pooja. Very good. Eyes are missing. Yes. Eyes are missing. Now we are going to use we are going to use what? We are going to use a cucumber. Okay. And I will just cut simple small circles like this. Circles like this. Parents, please help the children with this. So I'm cutting 2 circles like this. I'll wait again 1 minute for this. Okay. 1 minute I'll wait. I can see Satya, you trying to cut. Very good job, Satya. And then I can see Divya also trying. I can see Pooja showing me cucumber. Very good, Pooja. Very good.
Even Uttara showing it like this.
Archini is doing that as well. Yeah,
Very nice.
yeah. Uttarashri is also showing. Uttarashri, thank you so much for showing. Big Vian
So
is also
on the
trying.
kannan சொல்லுவாங்க தெரியுமா? On the kannan அப்படின்னா the eyes of the owl will be big. On the kannan சொல்லுவாங்க தெரியுமா?
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you, Darshan, for showing. Thank you, Darshan. I can see Pooja's cucumber eyes are ready. Nice. So now I'm going to place it here. So it has big eyes like this. Okay. If your cucumber is small, the eyes are small, which is also cute. Very nice. And if the eyes are big, it's also nice. Okay. So I can see so many cucumbers on the Ollie. Yes, Ollie's eyes are ready. Ollie's eyes are ready. Okay, I'll give 30 more seconds to other children. I think everybody is ready. Yes, I think everybody is ready. Okay, now in our eyes, there is a black circle, right? In our eyes. Look at your mama's eyes. Look at your mama's eyes. It's black, na? Inside, small, black. Look at mama's eyes. Yeah, Darshan is showing me his eyes. Very nice, Darshan. So now, even we are going to do the same thing for Ollie. I have some raisins. What is raisin called in Tamil?
Kismis, ma'am.
வறண்ட திராட்சை.
Kishmish in Hindi. Correct. So I'm going to put like this one.
வறண்ட திராட்சை.
And I'm going to put one like this. Can everybody do this? Yes. And if you want, you can eat one raisin also. No problem. You can eat one. So see, Ollie's eyes are ready. Eyes are ready. Big cucumber eyes and then inside small raisin eyes. I see Revati's. It's so beautiful, Revati. Pooja, so nice. Karthika, very beautiful. Nicely done.
Kabilin also is done. Kabilin also is done. Sai Vashni.
Yeah, very good. Yeah, very nice. Very nice. Okay. One more thing is missing. One more thing is missing. Shreya also. Yeah, everybody is very nice, beautiful.
Very
Okay,
good.
now what?
Ma'am.
Thank you. Can you please put yourself on mute? I'll give you 3 seconds. Come on, everybody, put yourselves on mute. 3,
Darshan
2,
Shri.
mute in 2. 1 second for muting. Very good job, girls. Very, very good job. Very good job. Okay, now one more thing is missing.
నీ పేరు సార్
One thing is missing. Something is missing here. What is missing here?
మిస్ మనీష్
Miss Manish.
We are going to do all no. Now I'm going to take a carrot. Okay, mute yourself. Please mute yourself. Parents, please mute.
Mute yourself.
Mute.
Carefully.
Shreya, please mute. Shreya, Manish, please mute. Thank you, Manish. Thank you, Shreya, for muting. Okay, so now we are going to. Okay. Kirti, can you mute? Thank you, Kirti.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you. Okay. So we will take a carrot and I will cut the top of the carrot like this. Small piece of the carrot. Okay, small piece. And I will put it here. And this becomes Ollie's nose. What is this? Nose. Can anyone raise their hand and tell me what is the color of the nose? Raise your hand and tell me the color of the nose. Raise your hand and then Sharanya auntie will choose. Sharanya auntie choose who will tell the answer. Okay. If
Shreya.
Sharanya auntie will choose.
Shreya.
Okay, only Shreya, can you answer what is the color of orange? Color of
Orange, ma'am.
nose? Okay.
Orange. Orange.
So our Ollie is ready. Our Ollie is ready. Okay. Okay. Very nice. Beautiful. Our Ollie is ready. Okay. I will wait 5 seconds. Everybody mute yourself. 5, 4. Very beautiful. Please mute yourself. 3. Please mute. 2, 1. And the last number for muting yourself is 0. Thank you, everyone. Very good children. You all are very good children. What is the name of our second character? It was Frank, right? And this was the number. Mute yourself, mute yourself, mute. So I will cut a circle like this. I will
நீங்க
cut
mute
one
பண்ணலனா
more circle.
அபூர்வா ஆண்டி சொல்றது உங்களுக்கு கேட்காது. So mute when she is asking, you can talk to her. She is here only with us. She will not go anywhere. So
I
mute
will wait
yourself,
for everybody. Yeah, okay.
mute and listen. Do it with her. அவங்க கூடவே வந்து
So I
நீங்களும்
will-
செய்யுங்க.
I will put one circle here and one circle here. So this is Frank's head. This is Frank's stomach. Head and stomach of the frog. Okay. This is the head. This is the stomach. Now I will take one more circle and I request parents to please help. And I will cut it like this in half, like this. One circle and 2 half. Okay, like this half. Okay.
What is the name of the two half?
These are Frank's legs, and I will put them here like this. This is his legs. Can you see Frank's legs? Okay. We have got Frank's legs also. Okay. Thank you. Now we are going to create his hands. We are going to create his hands. Please keep yourselves on mute and I will take one circle like this and I will cut it into 4 parts. How many parts? 4 parts like this. 2, and I will cut one more time to make it into 4 parts. Okay. See, 4 are there now. 1, 2, 3, 4 parts, right? Of this 4, I will only use 2. 2 I will keep. 2 only I will keep 2 small parts like this. And this will become his hands like this here. Okay. Hands. So our Frank is head, stomach, his legs, 2 legs and 2 hands. I will wait for 1 minute right now for all the children to finish. I'll wait for all the children to finish. Yes. Now something is missing. Can somebody raise their hand and Sharanya aunty will choose what is missing? Sharanya aunty, can you choose some child to answer?
Yes.
No. Quiet. Sharanya aunty is choosing.
No, you have to raise your hand. Only then I will choose.
Raise your hand. Raise your hand.
Raise your hand. Raise your hand.
Vian is raising hand. Revati is raising hand.
Okay, we will get from Revati.
Revati, can you answer? Revati, can you tell me what is missing? I want Revati's voice.
Revati. So what is missing?
Yes, Revati. Revati, tell me what is missing. You want to say in Tamil? Eyes are missing. Good job. Very good. Thank you so much, Revati. So eyes are missing. So now frogs also have big eyes. Okay, frogs have big eyes. So what we are going to do? We are going to take 2 big raisins. Okay, 2 big raisins. If you have grapes, you can take grapes also. Okay, so I'm going to take 2 big raisins and I will make Frank's eyes. So I will take 2 big raisins. I'll put one here and I will put one more here. So can you see his eyes are ready? I want to see children making the Frank the frog. I can see children making. Kirti is trying. Very good, Kirti. Satya is also trying. Pooja, I can see the eyes. Very nice. Very nice. I can see Varshini is Frank and Ollie. Very good. I can see Vijay Lakshmi. Shreya's also. Very good. Nice. Very good. Satya's also. Very good. Very nice. So now, so if you see children, Ollie and Frank both are ready. Ollie is ready and Frank is also ready. They want to go on a journey. Okay. So how can they go on a journey? They will go on a journey in a car. They will go in a car, right? So to make a car, we are going to use an apple. We are going to use an apple. Everybody, if you have an apple, show me on the screen apple. Show me this apple. I can see Utkarashi's apple.
No, I don't have apple, ma'am.
No problem, Pooja. You can make it later.
Ma'am,
Later on, you can
what's the apple, ma'am?
keep yourselves on mute. Keep yourselves on mute. Okay. So now we have to make the car. Okay. I will cut the apple. I will. It is okay.
Keep yourself in mute and see what ma'am is doing. You can do it later.
Can you say that in Tamil, Shreya?
நீங்க எல்லாரும் மியூட்ல இருங்க. உங்களுக்கு ஆப்பிள் இல்லனா அப்புறமா நீங்க செஞ்சுக்கலாம். Okay, இப்ப பாருங்க. See how she is doing.
So I will cut the apple half and then I will take a small slice. I want the car to be red in color. So I am taking the red color part. Okay. So I will, this is the slice I will take. Okay, I'll take a slice like this. I can remove the center part. Parents, please help the children. This is a little tricky, a little difficult. Okay. So we will make, our car is red in color. So we are using an apple which is red in color apple. So this is the body of our car. Okay. This is the body of our car.
The
Keep yourself in mute, please.
Now, okay, so I have to make the wheels, right? I have to make the wheels. I will use banana to make the wheels. I will use one banana to make the wheels. So this is the body of the car. I have to make the wheels. What do you call wheels in Tamil, Sharanya?
Huh?
Chakram, ma'am.
Wheels in Tamil, I was asking.
Sakram is same. They are also answering.
Oh, nice. Thank you.
I was
So
not
now
able to hear.
Okay, I will now take a banana. Okay. Full banana. So don't waste. Okay. We don't need the full banana. So now I will take, how many wheels are there in a car? Total. How many wheels? Four. Okay. Thank you so much. So we will make 4 wheels. Okay. Yeah. So let's make 4 wheels. So we will make one wheel like this. 1, 2, 3, and one more 4. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So how many wheels? 4 wheels, like you all said. Very nice. Okay. So 4 wheels are ready. So now I have to put these wheels on the apple. I have 2 small sticks here that I will use. Okay. 2 small sticks here that I will use. If you don't have stick, it's okay. You can just put it like this and keep it like this. Okay. So I will keep the card, keep the banana like this, and keep the bananas like this here and like this here. So my car ready. See, like this, 4 wheels. I have a stick. I will use the stick to put the banana in the apple. Okay. So one stick here, one more stick here on the apple, and I will put the banana here. Put another banana here. Put another. Please keep yourself on mute. If you don't have stick, it is okay. You can just place it on the tray. And like this, I can make my car. The car in which Ollie and Frank are going to go. They are going to go in the car like this. I will give you 1 minute to make this. Can you see? Make it like this, okay?
Keep yourself in mute, please.
Very nice.
Mute
Shreya, can you mute yourself, please? Shreya, please mute yourself. Thank you. I saw it. Really beautiful. Very beautiful. Yes. Everybody's beautiful. This is so beautiful. This is very nice. Beautiful. Very nice. So now, can everybody mute?
They use carrots, ma'am.
Okay, somebody made the wheels from carrot. That's very nice. That's a good idea.
Can you show that?
Yeah, can you show again? Who made it with the carrot? I think Shreya made it with.
J. Danyasri.
Danyashri has made it with carrot. Very good, Danyashri. And
It's a
Shreya
good
also.
idea. Very good.
Very nice.
Good. The car looks so good, Shreya. Very good car. Very nice.
Very nice, Shreya.
Thank you. Okay, keep it. Thank you.
Can everybody mute themselves in 5? Mute in 5, mute in 4, mute in 3, 2, 1, and 0. Okay. So children, now Ollie is ready. Look at Ollie. He has 2 wings. His legs are here. He's sitting on a branch. He has big, big eyes. He has an orange color nose. Look at Ollie. And then we have Frank. Frank is Ollie's friend. He is a green color frog made of cucumber. And then they have a red color car with banana wheels or carrot wheels, right? Yes. So now Ollie and Frank will sit in the car and they will go somewhere. They will go somewhere. Okay. So let's see where they are going. Shana, can you present your screen?
Yeah.
Go back, Sharanya. Go back to the previous screen. Previous. Back. Yeah. So children, they are going on a journey. Okay, they are going on a car. They are going somewhere, and on their way, they are listening to a song. Okay, they are listening to radio. One song they are listening. So we will also sing that song. Okay, everybody will sing the song. Give me thumbs up. They'll sing the song. Thumbs up. Show me thumbs up.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Okay. Sharana, can you give me rights to share?
Yeah, I've given.
Okay, I'm going to play a song and everybody will sing that song, okay?
Yes.
Let's begin from
Keep
the
yourself in mute, only then you can hear the song.
Sharanya, do you want to say that again and ask them to sing along with their parents also if they want? You can say that in Tamil.
மேம் வந்து ஒரு சாங் ப்ளே பண்ண போறாங்க, நீங்களும் வந்து அந்த சாங்கை கேட்டுட்டு மேம் கூடவே சேர்ந்து பாடணும். ஓகே, மியூட்ல இருந்தீங்கன்னா தான் உங்களுக்கு அது கேட்கும். லிசன், ஆஃப்டர் தட் we will sing together. சரியா? சேர்ந்து பாடலாம்.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, are you all ready?
So Sharanya, we will play one and then second time we will sing together. Okay?
Yes. First வந்து நம்ம எல்லாரும் சாங்க கேட்போம், செகண்ட் டைம் வந்து நம்ம எல்லாம் கூட சேர்ந்து பாடலாம். Okay, are we ready? Thumbs up. Yes.
Ready, ma'am.
Ready. Apurva. Apurva can't hear.
Rainbow. Oh, yummy, yummy food, yummy, yummy. Oh, yummy. Oh, it's in my tummy. Put it yummy, put it in my tummy. Oh, yummy, put it in my tummy. Green peas, yummy, put it in my tummy. It is yummy, put it in my tummy. Put it yummy, put it in my tummy. Many colors I see. Put them in my tummy. Oh, rainbow. Yummy, yummy, oh, yummy, yummy. or it is yummy, put it in my tummy. It's yummy, put it in my tummy. Always yummy, put it in my tummy. Always yummy, put it in my tummy. Always yummy, put it in my tummy. So, Sharanya will play one more time. This time, children, you can unmute yourself, but sing slowly, softly, okay? Slowly, slowly. Sharanya, can you tell them?
We were not able to hear the song.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. Ma'am.
Can you see? Can you hear?
Yes, ma'am.
Sharanya, Sharanya,
Yeah,
can you
yeah.
hear now?
No.
Not able to hear?
Yes.
Okay. Can't hear. Okay. Let me stop and share again.
So children, did you all like Ollie and Frank? உங்களுக்கு Ollie Frank பிடிச்சிருக்கா?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we're going to sing the song.
Can you just Sharanya check one time if it is audible or not? Okay.
Yeah.
Is it audible now?
No.
Okay, so what we can do is we can
We will
share this
share.
song with children.
Yes.
After the class, we'll share this song with the
Yeah.
children. Okay. See
Yes.
that in Tamil, and I'm really sorry it is not playing right now. Can you tell the parents to play this after the class?
Yes. Parents, நாங்க வந்து இந்த song உங்களுக்கு அனுப்பிச்சு விடுறோம். வாட்ஸ்அப்ல வந்து குரூப்ல ஷேர் பண்றோம். So after the class நீங்க வந்து அதை ப்ளே பண்ணி பார்த்துட்டு you can sing and send it to us. Okay? நீங்க அழகா பாடி அதே மாதிரி பாடி send it to us. Okay? Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Shall we go for the next thing? Okay.
So we are going to
Thank you, ma'am.
do the next activity, children. Can everybody see my table? So Ollie and Frank are going somewhere. What is healthy? They're going to find what is healthy food. Sharan, can you take it to the next screen? So there is a plate, okay? This is a plate and it is called eat well. Eat well plate means eating proper, eating nice and healthy food. And we have to fill this. That plate is empty, right? It is empty. We have to fill this empty plate with food that we should eat. Good food that Ollie and Frank should also eat, right? So now we will fill this plate together, okay? I want all of you to see what I am doing, okay? I want you to see. So all of you sit nicely.
So ma'am வந்து இப்ப ஒரு plate fill பண்ண போறாங்க. Healthy eating, eat well plate. நம்ம எப்படி சாப்பிடணும் அப்படிங்கிறதுக்காக keep yourself in mute. நீங்க muteல இருந்தீங்கன்னா தான் we'll go for the next activity. Keep yourself in mute. So நல்லா கவனிங்க என்ன பண்ண போறாங்க அப்படிங்கறத நல்லா கவனிங்க. Can I stop the screen?
Yeah, please do that.
Yeah. Okay.
I have so many food items. I have different pictures of different food items, okay? So I'm going to arrange these food items in this plate. So let's go little closer. So this is a plate. Sorry, this is a plate, and one big part of the plate. Look at this. This part is so big, and it has the name vegetable. Yes.
Very
So
good.
that means all of us have to eat lots and lots of fruits and vegetables. We have to eat lots of fruits and vegetables. So I really like to eat an apple. So I will put an apple on my plate, okay? You can like other fruits like mango or anything, but you have to eat lots of, you have to eat lots and lots of fruits. I also like to eat orange, so I will put orange on my plate. Okay, I really like orange. The taste is very nice. It is my favorite fruit. So I'll put orange also on my plate. My mother tells me that banana is very healthy and banana is very good for my health. So I also like to eat banana. Okay. So there are three fruits that I really like. I like apple, I like oranges, and I like banana. So I will keep them on my plate. Sharanya, can you find somebody to tell us what their favorite fruits are? Just pick anybody.
Yes.
Raise your hand, children. Sharanya auntie will pick. Who is raising
Divya
hand?
Menu. Divya Menu.
Divya, can you?
Goa.
Divya,
மேம் யாரு சொல்றாங்களோ அவங்க மட்டும் தான் சொல்லணும். Okay, Goa. Nitya, what do you like, Nitya? Mute, please mute. Please mute.
thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Okay, so now we have to eat lots of fruits. Okay, children, lots and lots of fruits. We also should eat vegetables. We also have to eat fruits and vegetables. So the one vegetable that I really like, it's a very nice color vegetable, orange color vegetable, carrot. So I really like to eat carrots. I'll put carrot also on my plate. Okay, it's a pretty orange color carrot. I also like this one curry that my mama makes. My mother makes very nicely, and that is spinach curry. Spinach. Sharanya, what do we call spinach? in Tamil?
Kirai. Kirai.
Kirai. Okay, so I like kirai very much. My favorite curry that my mama makes. Okay. My mama also tells me to eat cabbage. She says if you eat cabbage, your stomach will be nice and healthy. So I also like to eat cabbage. So that is also another vegetable that I'll put on my plate. So see, so many fruits and vegetables I have put on my plate. I have put apple, orange, banana, carrot, cabbage, and spinach. Sharanya, can you pick 2 students to tell which vegetable they like to eat? And quietly, children will raise hand. Sharanya, auntie will pick. Let's see who she's picking.
Yeah, only
Let's see.
one by one only you're going to answer.
Yes.
Okay, can I call Satya? Satya, what is your... Wow, lady's finger. Very nice.
Thank you, Satya.
Krishika. Very good, Krishika. So, Danyashri. Danyashri, what do you like? Very good, very good. Okay then, okay.
Thank you so much. Children, you have to eat lots of vegetables and fruits daily, okay? Okay, now let's move to the next part. What is it written? Grains. What is it? Grains. Grains means rice, ragi, jowar, like all that, right? So, I like to eat 2 things. I like rice. I like rice. Can anybody show me their hands if they like to eat rice?
Yes, I like to eat rice.
Saranya aunty likes sweet, right? Okay. But I like idli more, okay? So I really like idli, which is made of rice. It is my favorite breakfast. Idli is my favorite breakfast. And I eat a lot of
Dosa.
Also
I
dosa.
also- Huh? Sorry?
Darshan is telling also dosa.
Yes, Darshan. If you don't like idli so much, you can eat dosa also. Very nice.
Chapati.
Yeah, next one is
Mama,
chapati.
Chapati.
Keep yourself in mute. Please keep yourself in mute.
I also like
Keep yourself in mute or we are not going for the next activity.
Come on, children. 3
Mute.
seconds. Keep your 3, 2, 1. Very good job, children. Very nice. So there are so many dishes made of rice like idli, dosa, uttapam, right? And also with wheat, you can make chapati, paratha, so many things. So we need to eat a lot of grain. The next thing is, can anybody see? Let me turn my plate. Meat and beans. Meat. So meat means vegetarian food like chicken or fishes. And if somebody does not like chicken and fishes, they can eat lots of beans. Beans are like dal. So anybody who's vegetarian and does not like to eat meat and chicken, they can eat dal. So can you see here? There are different colors dals are there, right? Green color is moong dal, orange color is masoor dal. So many dals are there in the market. We should eat dal daily. It makes us really healthy. Okay, so I'll put dal here. I also like to eat chicken. So if anybody likes to eat chicken or fish, that is also okay. But we should
Darshan Kumar. Me and Darshan Kumar.
okay. But we should not eat lots of it. Can you see? Can you see the size of the plate? Fruits and vegetable is bigger than meat and dal, right? So we should eat more fruits and vegetables, less chicken and meat. Okay? More fruits and vegetable, less chicken and dal. Not too much chicken also is good, okay? If somebody likes to eat eggs, they can also eat some eggs. Sometimes eggs is also healthy. So I'll put egg also here. Okay. But children, see, size of grains and vegetable is bigger than chicken or eggs. So more vegetables, more grains, less chicken and egg. Now we have the next part of our circle. It is called dairy. D-A-I-R-Y. Dairy means all the product that comes from cow, milk.
Milk products, ma'am.
Yes, milk product. Very nice. So all the children, all of you, you are becoming bigger and bigger every day, right? Your height is increasing. You're becoming bigger. So milk is very important. Daily you should drink milk. Very important. Daily you should drink milk. If sometimes you don't like milk so much, you can also have curd. I love curd. I like curd. I eat every time. With all my meals, I eat curd. So you can have one small bowl of curd also. Show me your hands if you like curd. Who likes curd? Uttarashri likes curd. Darshan
ma'am.
likes. Darshan, you can raise your hand. Yes, very good. I love curd. And sometimes in breakfast, if you're eating bread or something, you can put a little bit butter also. Sometimes a little bit butter is also good. Okay. But again, children, see, fruits and vegetable part is big. Dairy part is small. So more fruits and vegetable and grains and less dairy. Okay. Okay. Now can you tell me what is this?
Chips, ma'am.
Show me, raise your hand if you like chips. Raise your hand if you like chips. Raise your hands. Only mute and raise your hands if you like chips. I will see how many hands are coming. I'm waiting. I'm counting and waiting. Rian is raising hand. Sai Varshin is raising hand. So many people like chips. But children, chips is not very healthy. Chips is not very healthy. We should eat chips, but very little. Can you see fat and sugar? Such little space is there, so small. So it is okay. You can eat chips sometimes only, not daily. Little bit only, okay? Sharanya, can you say this in Tamil? Not daily, but maybe once a week or something.
சிப்ஸ் வந்து நம்ம டெய்லி சாப்பிடக்கூடாது. இட் இஸ் நாட் தட் ஹெல்தி. எப்பவாவது நம்மளுக்கு தோணும், நம்மளுக்கு வந்து ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் எல்லாம் வந்திருக்காங்க அப்படின்னா செலிப்ரேட் பண்றதுக்கு சிப்ஸ் எடுத்துக்கலாம். மத்த ஃப்ரூட்ஸ் வெஜிடபிள்ஸ் நிறைய சாப்பிட்டு சிப்ஸ் வந்து ரொம்ப கம்மியா தான் சாப்பிடணும். எப்பவாவது ரொம்ப கம்மியா தான் சாப்பிடணும். Got it?
Yes.
Very
Okay,
nice.
I have one more thing. I have one more thing children like. What is this?
Chocolate, ma'am.
Candy, toffee.
Correct, correct. So,
அம்மா போன்ல சார்ஜ் இல்ல மேம்.
Oh,
okay.
அப்ப
Can you
சார்ஜ்
mute
போட்டுக்கோங்க.
yourself, please? Can you mute yourself?
Mute yourself.
Please mute, please mute. I'm waiting for everybody to mute. 2, 1, please mute. 0, please mute. So children, I know everybody loves candy. I like candy a lot. Please mute yourself. Thank you for showing the butter. Thank you for showing the butter. Yes.
Very good,
Can you
Darshini.
please
Mute. Only then ma'am can go for the next one, please.
Sharanya, I think
Yeah.
you also have the option of muting people on the screen.
Yeah, I am doing it. I'm
So-
doing it.
Yeah. Thank you. So I also like candy, children. Even I like to eat candy, but I cannot eat candy every day. It will spoil my teeth. My teeth will become black. It will start paining. Toothache will happen. Okay. So not every day. Once or twice a week is good. Not every day. So don't ask parents every day to get candy. It is not good for health. See, such less space for fat and sugar. It is very, it's not healthy for your body, right? So we should eat candy very less quantity, in very less quantity. So lots of fruits and vegetables. See, so big. Lots of food and grains and chapati and rice and idli. That is good. Chicken, pulses, dal, egg. That is also good. Milk, daily you should eat milk. If you don't like milk so much, then you can have curd also. You can have butter also, but not too much. See, the size is small, now little bit is good. And chips and candy, the smallest, it's the most, like it's the smallest of all the parts in the plate. Chips and candies and all the outside food item is smallest. So you can eat it maybe once a week. Otherwise, your body, your teeth will not be healthy. Sharanya, can you just recap this in Tamil once for all the children, all the parts?
Yes. So in the plate இன்னொரு தடவை நம்ம பார்க்கலாமா? இந்த பிளேட்ல வந்து ஜாஸ்தி ஸ்பேஸ் எதுக்கு இருக்கு? We have to eat fruits and vegetables. பழங்களும் காய்கறிகளும் தான் நம்ம நிறைய எடுத்துக்கணும். அதுக்கப்புறம் அதிகமா சாப்பிடுறது என்ன? நம்ம ரைஸ், சாதம், சப்பாத்தி, இட்லி இந்த மாதிரி இருக்கிறது வந்து நம்ம அதுக்கப்புறம் அதிகமா எடுத்துக்குவோம். அதுக்கப்புறம் என்ன அதிகமா எடுத்துக்கிறோம் நம்ம? மீட் அண்ட் பீன்ஸ். அது எந்த அளவுக்கு எடுத்துக்கணும் நம்ம? வெஜிடபிள்ஸை விட கிரெயின்ஸை விட போர்ஷன் கம்மியா வந்து நம்ம எடுத்துக்கணும். அதுக்கப்புறம் ரொம்ப ஹெல்தியா இருக்கிற டைரி ப்ராடக்ட்ஸும் நம்ம சாப்பிடணும். உங்களுக்கு பால் டெய்லி பிடிக்கல அப்படின்னா நீங்க வந்து தயிரா சாப்பிடலாம், வெண்ணெயா சாப்பிடலாம், கீஸா சாப்பிடலாம், அதெல்லாம் நீங்க சாப்பிடலாம். பட் ஃபேட் அண்ட் சுகர் எந்த அளவுக்கு இருக்கணும்? இட் should be very minimal. ரொம்ப கம்மியா இருக்கணும். ஸோ ஃபேட்ல நம்ம என்ன பார்த்தோம்? சிப்ஸ் பார்த்திருக்கோம், அதுக்கப்புறம் கேண்டீஸ் பார்த்திருக்கோம். டெய்லி வந்து சிப்ஸும் கேண்டீஸும் நம்ம சாப்பிட்டுக்கிட்டே இருந்தா என்ன ஆகும்? நம்ம பாடி வந்து நியூட்ரிஷன்ஸ் எல்லாம் இல்லாம ரொம்ப வீக் ஆயிடும். இதுவே டெய்லியும் பழங்களும் காய்கறிகளும் சாப்பிட்டோம் அப்படின்னா நான் வந்து ரொம்ப ஸ்ட்ராங்கா இருக்கும். So that is the eat well plate. Got it?
So this is children. Yeah. So this is the eat well plate. If you want to be healthy and strong, very strong. If you want to be very strong, you have to eat food like this. Lots of vegetables and grains, sometimes chicken or meat, lots of dal, dairy products like milk and curd, and sometimes fast food, your fat and sugar like chips and candy, sometimes only, and your body will be very strong. Okay. So that's second activity. So I want all of you to eat food in a healthy way from now on. Thank you. Sharanya, can we show the screen?
Yeah. Yes, yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
See
Thank you,
here.
ma'am.
Can you see this? Can you see this? We are not done. We are not done. Please wait.
We're not done. Yeah.
Please
So
wait.
Can you see on the screen? Can you see on the screen? We have so many fruits and vegetables. We have roti, paratha, rice, idli, options and grains. Then we have chicken, egg, pulses,
Mute,
dal.
please mute. Children, please mute.
Please mute. Yeah, thank you. And then we have dairy products like milk, curd, paneer, and butter. And the smallest size is candy, chips, and other
Fats
food.
and sugar, sir.
Yes, fats and sugar, very less. Fruits and vegetable and grains, more in quantity, right? Yes. So we all have to eat like this to be healthy and strong, okay? Shanna, can we go to the next screen?
Yeah.
Okay, so now, how much time do we have, Sharanya?
We are almost done.
Yeah, so now what you're going to do, all of you will go back and in the afternoon, you will try to do this activity with your parents, okay? So you will take, just a second, I will show. Sharanya, can you stop sharing the screen?
Yeah,
will
I
show my
stopped.
screen.
I stopped.
So you're going to take glasses like this. Can you see? I have 3 glasses. Okay, I have 3 glasses, and in the 3 glasses, I have put color water. Okay, so this is red color, this is yellow color, and this is blue color. If you have food color in your home, you can use it. If you don't have food color, you can use masala also for color. So like haldi you can use, or red chili powder like that you can use. You don't have these colors, it's okay. You can use other colors also. And then what you will do, you will take some tissue paper. You know what's a tissue paper? Paper like this, right? Napkin papers. You will put it like this. Please mute yourself. You will do like this, okay? 1. It's okay, it's okay. And then you will make another paper like this. So I have 2, right? I will bend them like this. So what happens is, I will take my glasses and I will put my paper like this. And then I will take another one and put it like this. And you will see what happens. What is happening?
The water is absorbing.
The color is
Napkin.
absorbing tissue paper, ma'am.
Yes, the color is going up, and now the color will mix, okay? We have to wait for some time for the color to mix, okay? So the color is going from the glass on the tissue paper, and now red and yellow will mix, yellow and blue will mix, and something else will come, and we have to wait and watch. So you do this activity with your parents and you wait and see which new color is coming, okay? You have to do this activity with your parents and see which new color is coming and take a picture and share with Sharanya auntie, okay? Is that okay?
Yes.
Yes. Thank you so much.
Okay, ma'am. Sure, ma'am.
So this was our activity today. I hope you all liked Ollie and Frank. Show it to your other friends and family members also. You take a picture and send it to your friends. You see, I made Ollie and Frank today. You also try to eat healthy, eat all the right components of the food and be very strong. Okay. So thank you so much, Sharanya. If you want to take any questions, I'm here. Yeah.
Yeah. உங்களுக்கு ஏதாவது questions இருக்கா? Apurva aunty கிட்ட வந்து questions ஏதாவது கேட்கணுமா? If you have any question, raise your hand.
If parents want to ask any question about how we teach EVS and theme curriculum, I would love to answer parents any questions as well.
Parents ஏதாவது questions இருக்கா? நான் ஏன் இந்த ஆக்டிவிட்டி செஞ்சிருக்கோம், குழந்தைகளுக்கு வந்து EVS ஓட பெனிஃபிட்ஸ் என்ன, ஏன் வந்து லீட் கரிக்குலம்ல வாட் இஸ் ஸ்பெஷல் இன் EVS அப்படிங்கிற மாதிரி ஏதாவது questions இருந்ததுன்னா நீங்க தாராளமா கேட்கலாம்.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, please.
Ma'am, yeah, Shreya would amma pestra, ma'am. Ma'am, the last activity, shall we do it with watercolor or fabric paint?
So any color which is soluble in water, right? Once it dissolves in water, it will go up. Oil colors will not.
Once I done the same activity with fabric color for her. So, shall I do the same with fabric color?
If you have watercolor, ma'am, I think it will be better. Just take a lot of water and less color because so that it's easy. Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, that should be okay. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
So we have a reminder also. 21st அன்னைக்கு we have math activity. இப்ப எப்படி EVS activity இருந்ததோ அதே மாதிரி we have math activity also. இதே மாதிரி ரொம்ப ஃபன்னா என்டர்டெய்னிங்கா இருக்கும். So please don't miss. உங்க ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸை வந்து இன்வைட் பண்ணுங்க. We are doing this for உங்களோட பெனிஃபிட்காக தான் பண்றோம். அதனால please do reach to more people. நிறைய பேர்கிட்ட ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க. நம்ம ஸ்கூல்ல இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு ஆக்டிவிட்டி பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம், சில்ட்ரனுக்கு வந்து ரொம்ப பெனிஃபிட்டா இருக்கும் அப்படிங்கறத நீங்க தான் சொல்லணும். சரி, நீங்க வந்து என்ன அனுபவிச்சிருக்கீங்களோ அதை வந்து நீங்க உங்க ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் கிட்டயும் உங்க ஃபேமிலி கிட்டயும் சொன்னீங்கன்னா தான் அவங்க வந்து வருவாங்க. இப்ப நீங்க என்ஜாய் பண்ண மாதிரி உங்க ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸும் என்ஜாய் பண்ணுவாங்க. The same way how you are enjoying, your friends also will come and enjoy. So we are putting so much effort for you all. We want you all to go speak this to your friends and call them and come. ஏய் நீயும் வா எங்க கூட, நான் எங்க ஸ்கூல்ல நாங்க இது பண்ணணும், நாங்க இந்த ஆக்டிவிட்டி ஷேர் பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி உங்க ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸையும் கூட்டிட்டு வாங்க. சோ இன்னைக்கு நீங்க பண்ணின ஆக்டிவிட்டிய போட்டோ எடுத்து எங்களுக்கு ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க. அதே மாதிரி டேக் அவே ஆக்டிவிட்டியும் நீங்க வந்து வீடியோவோ போட்டோவோ எடுத்து எங்களுக்கு ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க. Keep that as your WhatsApp status so every of your friends will know what you are doing. Okay? உங்க எல்லாத்துக்கும் அபூர்வா ஆண்டியோட ஆக்டிவிட்டி பிடிச்சிருக்கா? Shall we all give big round of applause?
Claps you have.
Please, Sharan, please ask all the parents to send pictures of Ollie and Frank if they have to us on WhatsApp. I would like to see all the pictures.
ஆலியோடதும் ஃப்ராங்கோட பிக்சர் இருந்துச்சுன்னா இப்ப chat boxல அனுப்ப முடியுமா? Can you click and send it?
Okay, ma'am.
Can you click and send
it, ma'am, for sure.
Okay, or else you can send it in WhatsApp group also. Mention your child's name. இல்லனா அந்த பிளேட்ட வந்து உங்க குழந்தை பிடிச்சிருக்க மாதிரி ஒரு பிக்சர் எடுத்து அனுப்புங்க. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, thank you so much.
If you have any questions, you can ask Sharanya and
Apurva ma'am, thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, Pooja. It was very nice.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Apurva. It was very nice.
I'm glad.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, children.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Please share your feedback. Please do share your feedback in the WhatsApp group.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah.
Bye. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye bye. Thank you so much for coming to the session. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a good Saturday and Sunday. Nice. Okay. Take care of yourselves.
Excuse me, ma'am. Uttarashi.
Yeah, Uttarashri, tell me.
Actually, this photo. இது இந்த போட்டோவை யார் பேர்ல ஷேர் பண்ணனும் மேம்?
ஸ்கூல் வாட்ஸ்அப் நம்பர் இருக்குடா. நான் ஸ்கூல் வாட்ஸ்அப் நம்பர் சொல்றேன். அந்த நம்பருக்கு அட்மின் நம்பர்னு ஒன்னு இருக்கும். உங்களோட வாட்ஸ்அப் குரூப்ல அட்மின் நம்பர்னு ஒன்னு இருக்கும். அந்த நம்பருக்கு அனுப்பிச்சு விடு. photos.
Okay,
Sariya?
ma'am.
Okay, Uttarashri. Thank you.
Bye. Bye, ma'am.
Bye. நான் next time வரும்போது நிறைய friends கூட வரணும். நீங்க மட்டும் வரக்கூடாது. Call all your friends and come. Yes. Any doubt? Do you all want to talk or ask something?
No, ma'am.
Okay, then bye. Eat well. Eat healthy.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Please take care of yourself. Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Bye. Manikanta, I can see Ollie and Frank. I can see your car also. It was very nice. Bye. Bye, Sai Varshini. Bye. Take care.
Take care.
You too.
They joined your name and my name together and made a new name.
What did they say?
Apurvanya ma'am.
That was nice. That was very nice. Kartika, you can keep the. You are looking for the button, is what? She looks confused. She's saying something in mute. Yeah. Bye. Bye bye, Kartika.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, baby.
Sai.
Bye.
Bye bye. Take care.
Take care.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I think we can end the meeting now, Sharanya.
Yeah, we will.
Yeah. We have very few people now, na? Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.